Workout for Women features strengths, weaknesses. This video will cut straight to the chase, providing an expert-level overview of workout programs specifically designed for women. Forget the pink dumbbells and generic advice. We're talking anatomy, physiology, and results-driven strategies. Key features of effective women's workouts often include a focus on glute and hamstring development, addressing hormonal influences on muscle growth and fat loss, and incorporating exercises that promote pelvic floor health and core stability. Program structure should prioritize compound movements like squats, deadlifts, presses, and rows, modified as needed to accommodate individual needs and fitness levels. Common modifications might involve using lighter weights, increasing repetitions, or adjusting the range of motion. These programs are generally designed for women of all ages and fitness levels, from beginners seeking to establish a solid foundation to experienced lifters looking to optimize their training. The target demographic often includes women aiming to improve body composition, increase strength and endurance, enhance overall health, and boost self-confidence. Now, let's delve into the strengths. A well-designed workout program for women can lead to significant improvements in muscle mass, bone density, metabolic rate, and cardiovascular health. Furthermore, it fosters a positive body image and empowers women to take control of their physical well-being. Specific programming can address common concerns such as postpartum recovery and managing symptoms of menopause. However, there are potential weaknesses to consider. Some programs may perpetuate unrealistic body standards or promote excessive dieting. It's crucial to avoid workouts that emphasize aesthetics over function and prioritize calorie restriction over balanced nutrition. Another potential pitfall is a lack of individualized attention. Generic workout plans may not be suitable for women with pre-existing injuries or health conditions. It's vital to consult with a qualified healthcare professional or certified personal trainer before starting any new exercise program. Additionally, failing to progressively overload the muscles can limit long-term progress. To avoid this, gradually increase the weight, repetitions, or sets over time. My final thoughts? A tailored workout approach is paramount. Resist the allure of trendy fitness fads and focus on building a sustainable and enjoyable routine that aligns with your personal goals and preferences. Remember to prioritize proper form, listen to your body, and fuel your workouts with a nutritious diet. The most effective workout program is the one you can consistently adhere to, achieving both physical and mental well-being.